All right, number 10. The density D of an object is found by dividing the mass m of the object by its volume v. Which of the following equation gives the mass m in terms of d and v? Okay, so what they told us is the density is, we want to find the density, you got to divide m by v. Okay, so based on that, we can actually come up with this formula. You can say density d is equal to the mass divided by the volume. So it'll be m divided by v, like that. So this is our equation, d equal to m over v. Okay, but then from that, what we have to do is here, the question says which equation gives the mass m in terms of d and v. So pretty much we're trying to solve for m here, right? To get m by itself. Right, so that's in terms of the other variables. And look at the answer choices, they all have that as well, right? So equal to something, equal to something. All right, so I had to try to get by itself. All right, so how do we do that? Well, if you look at this equation, we have d equal to m divided by v. So to get m by itself, we need to get rid of the v on the bottom. So to cancel out a division, we have to do the opposite of dividing, which is multiplying. Okay, so you can multiply by v on both sides. All right, so the v and v there will cancel out. All right, so whatever on the denominator, we will multiply that on both sides. That will help us cancel out. So on the right, we'll just get m by itself. That's what we want. On the left side, we get v times d. All right, so again, m equal to v times d. So you can rewrite it like this. So pretty much v times d or d times v, right? Same thing. So we should get letter A for question 10 here. And that should be it.